Hey there! Welcome back to Odin School's YouTube channel, where we serve you not just career tips but the secret sauce to crack top tech roles. And on today's menu, a spicy opportunity you will want to sink your teeth into. We are decoding the senior MIS executive role at none other than Swiggy, where taste meets speed. Stick around, I have got 5 must prepare interview questions that could be the cherry on the top. So let's start cooking. Let's talk about the brand behind your midnight snacks. Swiggy, India's favorite food delivery platform since 2014. They're not just delivering momos and lattes, they're stirring up serious tech innovation behind the scenes. From real time tracking to seamless app experiences, they run a kitchen powered by data and speed. And this MIS executive role, it's like being the head chef of numbers, the one who makes sure the whole operation is smooth, fast, and piping hot. Let's slice it up. The role is Senior MIS Executive, based out of Bangalore, aka the place where chai, tech, and traffic jam together. This is a full time gig for someone with 2 to 3 years of experience, and yes, the CTC of up to 6.5 lakhs per annum. So, if you love marinating in data, grilling dashboards to perfection, and serving reports that actually matter, this might just be a main course. Now, let's know who are they hungry for. Swiggy is looking for someone who's got sharp analytical chops, a solid concoction of Excel, SQL, and Power BI, experience with databases, and no, not just Googling how to join tables. So, you should have clear communication and the ability to work like a team in a kitchen rush. They want someone who can plate up insights, not just raw numbers. So basically, if you are the master chef of Google Sheets, this role is for you. So your workday will look something like a well-oiled kitchen. Cooking up and maintaining MI systems for internal reporting, stirring through data to find trends, gaps, or oops moments, garnishing reports with beautiful dashboards and KPIs, and also making sure everything is served clean, no messy data allowed. And of course, teaching other teams how to read what's on their plate. You will be the sauce chef of strategy, turning raw data into tasty decisions. So, what's on the side menu? With a solid CTC of up to 6.5 lakhs per annum, enough to splurge on weekend desserts or, invest smartly. The chance to own reports that actually impact the business. Build dashboards that will be consumed daily, not left to expire in a folder. And also a collaborative kitchen where you'll pick up new tricks from the pros. This isn't just another desk job, it's a high flame, high impact position. Alright, time for the taste test. Here are 5 questions you must have ready before your Swiggy interview. Question number 1: how do you ensure data accuracy in daily reports? How have you used Power BI to present performance metrics? And question number 3 would be: what's your go to move when there's a data mismatch? And question number 4 would be: can you share a time your report led to a big business decision? Last, but the most important question: how do you manage reporting when you're under pressure, like a kitchen on a Friday night? So, spice it up with real examples. Don't serve them bad answers. So, if you are ready to turn your data skills into a 5-star dish, the senior MIS executive role at Swiggy could be your next perfect order. Many Odin grads have already taken their careers from math to Michelin star. And guess what? You could be the next. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to Odin School because your dream job might just be a click, scroll, or dashboard away. Bon appetit, Data Champ. Thank you.